Oh goodness, spring just started and these cars are coming in like crazy. I just picked up another Mercedes. Of course it's black, a 2003 S500. All right, so what am I gonna do with this car? I'm gonna sell it. I'll probably fix it, whatever needs to be repaired, whatever issues it has. It's not many. I think an SRS light, there's a little dent right here. See that? What else? I think there's a slight leak up in the front strut, the passenger front strut, where after it sits for a little bit, it starts to sink down in that front passenger corner. And I think that's it. 122,000 miles. Okay. SRS light is on. I got the brake on, the parking brake. Extra set of rims and tires. The other two are in the trunk. Not a bad deal. I'm not even gonna tell you how much I paid for this one, but I'm telling you, I get some great deals, man. This one came out of Columbus, Ohio. It's an S500, and it's a 4matic. You don't see a lot of these out there, not 4matics. So here I go again, and I still got the S55, S55 down there. Man, I got a lot going on, guys. A lot going on, but that's what I do. That's what I do. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, Brandon Green, owner of Goldelementautoworks. I got a little bit of dribble on me, man. I was thirsty out here. Look at my daughter right there. Look at her. We're doing a little bit of spring cleaning. I just thought it was a good time to show you this newest addition to my collection, the S500 2003. I know. I didn't need another car, but this one was an opportunity that fell in my lap, and so I bought it. So now I have 10 Mercedes over here. Well, 9 over here, but 10 in total. I have the GL550 is up there. I have the S55. I have another GL550 right there. I have the SL55. I have the S550. I have now this S500. I have the G55. Hey, girl. The CL55 and the CL600. So this is crazy. This is crazy. I don't know what I'm doing. Somebody help me out. I have an addiction. I have issues, guys. So yeah, the S500, I'm gonna wind up fixing the small issues that has and then selling that. And then the S55, I don't know. I'm on the fence about that. I'm trying to figure that one out. It runs and everything. I just don't know what I'm doing with it yet. The CL600, I'm gonna sell that one. I already know that. The CL600, I'm gonna sell, and then the SEC, the 500 SEC, I gotta bring that back to life. That's in storage. Help me out, guys. I got problems. This is something special. Let me show you guys. And I know a lot of you guys are probably gonna be like, "Why would you do that? That's so rude. You are such a bad neighbor." Blah blah blah. But let me show you what a good neighbor is. The Bible says, love your neighbor, or treat your neighbor as you want to be treated, or it says something like that. Let me show you what a neighbor of mine has allowed me to do. This is so kind of him, and I'm so appreciative, because very few neighbors would actually do this. He allowed me to park 2 of my vehicles in his driveway. Isn't that something? The S500 and the S55. Because I'm in the process of trying to figure my life out. You know what I'm saying? I've been buying these cars. Some of these cars I'm selling. Some of these cars I'm keeping. But that's what I do. I've been doing this for years. And so I have my vehicles sitting in this driveway, making room for me to be able to move my vehicles around. I have storage, but I have to get more storage. And so again, this is what I do. A lot of these cars are just investments. Some of these cars are collectors, you know, cars that I'm keeping for myself. So I appreciate that generous display of kindness, and that is allowing me to park a few of my cars in his driveway. It's temporary, guys. It's not permanent, but thank you so much for being a great neighbor. And I'm gonna do my best to show the same type of love to those who show love to me.